So I got this old McCulloch saw here from a friend. It was just sitting there, and they got some other saws, but this one was just sitting for a while. Her husband passed away, and she gave it to me, so I'm trying to see if the dang thing will start. And I've done some pulls, put some fresh gas in it, and we aren't getting it to fire up. I did check the spark, and we do have spark, so I think my issue is fuel. So what I've done now is I've taken out the little carburetor and I'm just cleaning it. I'm gonna unscrew these bolts here and see what it looks like on the inside and see if it has any gunk in there that's getting in the way of the fuel delivery system. So I'm gonna do that next and see if that's our issue. Well, after firing this thing up, I got spark, and the carb clean seems to have worked. But we're still having a fuel issue. I think it might have to do with the fuel filter in the fuel tank. And I just put gas in it, so I don't know how easy it is gonna be to get that out. But I'm gonna take a look and see if it's all gunked up. Alright, so what I found on this, here's the model, it's a PM605. I got a bigger one down there I got for real cheap, but what I found in the tank was here, and the fuel filter was really dirty and had a bunch of old fuel in it, so I squeezed it out and used my air compressor on it, and it feels pretty dry now, so I'm hoping reinstalling that is going to fix our problem. Alright, it's installed. It looks like it just absorbs fuel and then it sucks it through the line there. So I did clean out the tank a little bit, and I'm just going to put some new fuel in it and see if she fires up. how simple these motors are. This thing fired right up after we got that fuel issue figured out. I don't know what year this is, but yeah, these things are awesome. Well, that's a good work. I just, now I need to clean it up, get it put back together, and we got another saw to use. I don't know if you can see, but the way I was taught to measure chain tension is you want to be able to pull up in the middle of the chain and be able to fit about a dime underneath this tooth in the bar. And you got to take into account that the chain's going to tighten a little bit more when you tighten down these two bolts. Now that just takes time and experience to get down. I don't know how perfect this will be, but it looks okay. Maybe a little bit loose, but that's alright. We're not running it right now, but